Hello, Brant Moriarty here from Beats Per Minute Technologies LLC. In this video demonstration, I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word to create mailing labels by using mail merge tools. All you need is an Excel file with the addresses and names of those contacts for which you want to create mailing labels. In this one, I have simply 4 different contacts: a name column, an address column, a city, a state, and a zip code. The next thing I need is a blank Word document. Now this demonstration is using Microsoft Office 2016, but the same tools exist in Microsoft Office 2010 and 2013 for PC, as well as any Office version on a Mac that's greater than 2010. The mail merge tools exist on the Mailings tab. We'll begin with the Start Mail Merge button, and mail merges are for more than just mailing labels. They can also be used to create custom letters and email messages. We're going to use labels. Now, there are a large variety of different label manufacturers and label sizes that exist out there, so refer to your actual package for the vendor name and the type of label. One of the most commonly used ones are the Easy Peel address labels from Avery, number 5160. So for this video, I'll select the 5160 Easy Peel address labels. What that does is it lays a table over the Word document where each cell are the same dimensions as the labels themselves. Now, in versions of Office before 2013, the borders around the labels may not be visible, but that's okay. They're still there, and the mail merge process will know where to place the appropriate fields. The next step is to select the recipients that contain the addresses and names for my labels. Select recipients. Now, you could type a list inside the Word document of each name, address, city, state, and zip code. But best practice would be you keep that data in an outside file because it's easier to maintain. You can add new members, you can update addresses as needed, and then simply redo the mail merge. We're going to use an existing list. I'm going to browse to my computer where I have that address file that contains those 4 names and addresses. Those names exist on the worksheet labeled Sheet 1 in my workbook file, but they could be somewhere else in your own address file. The next step is to then use the column headings in that Excel file as the merge fields in the Word document. We're going to use the tools under Write and Insert Fields group here. Insert Merge Field, and those column headings in the Excel file appear here as field names. We'll simply compile these fields into the appropriate format for a mailing label, which means name, the enter key for a new line, address, enter, then city, comma, space, state, space, and zip code. Now, I like to have my address labels centered on the actual label, so I'm going to select those values, and I can use this toolbar to center them. Or if your version of Office does not have this configured, the Home tab, of course, contains all your choices for fonts. I can change the font itself, increase or decrease the size, apply a bold, italics, or underline style if I wish. I want to simply center those in the middle of the label. Then back to the Mailings tab, I'm going to click on Update Labels so that the same configuration and alignment of each field is applied to each of those labels on this page. Now, since my actual workbook only has 4 addresses, I will not be using the entire page of labels. You can simply preview the results to see the actual names and addresses from that Excel file in this Word document. And there are the 4 names that I have. Whether you have 4 or fewer, or if you have hundreds of names, previewing the results will show you those on each page. The final step is to finish and merge the document. Now, if you were ready to go ahead and print this, you could print the document directly here, have your labels in the printer, and you're good to go. However, I like to save the labels as a separate document. So I want to go ahead and click Edit Individual Documents and merge these to a new document altogether. Click OK. And now we have a separate Word document without that connection to that Excel file. This is simply what the labels look like. I can then save this as labels, either as a Word document, or if you want to, you can convert it to a PDF, whatever you like. I hope you found this quick video helpful. For more information about Beats Per Minute Technologies LLC, please visit www.bpmtech.solutions.